Even functions rounds a single numeric argument. It rounds to the next even number. This function has only one argument. In number argument, select the number that you want to round. In number box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function rounds this number to the nearest even integer. Paste this formula in this cell. Press mouse and drag to down. Active this cell. Scroll down. Click even function. In number box, select this cell reference. Click OK. As this number is already even integer, function do not round it and returns as it is. Paste the same formula in these cells. Double click. Active this cell. Function rounds this number to the nearest even integer. Active this cell. This number is non-numeric. As a result, even function returns the value error value in this cell. In this way, numbers are rounded to even integer.